All right, welcome to my Hammer Anger bowling ball review, or should I say my Hammer Anger Solid bowling ball review. And in today's video, we'll be reviewing, comparing, contrasting both of these bowling balls, as well as potentially a 10-strike challenge. Warming up. About 20 with the feet, 15 with the eyes. The original Hammer Anger should be cleaner, hook less, all of it. Same hip, but 4 further left. Give it one more here. Really got around that one. Yikes. This is my original Anger. See the layout right there? A little lower pin than the Anger Solid that I have, just try and get it further down lane, hook a little more on the back end. They're really mixing them up. What I'm seeing right now from the Anger Solid is that they just make such a larger shape overall in the middle of the lane, whereas this one is definitely not the ball for right now. There's already oil on the lane, and all of it's been pushed down by a lot of the house bowlers earlier, so kind of this Anger Solid is my solution to some open play carry down. It was about 3 with my feet, but the shape was a lot stronger down lane with the Anger and a lot more mid lane with this, partially because of the layout, partially because of the cover stock. Now out of 10 shots here, the goal is probably 8 strikes. Shot number 1, it's got a good read in the middle of the lane, smooth. If I was to compare it to a ball in my bag right now, might be like the Ethos Solid, but this one's for sure smoother than that. Maybe a little less overall hook as well. See it just so much smoother. Probably gotta go another 1 left or slow down. I'm gonna go slower first. All right, slower was definitely the answer. I don't think I need to hit it that hard, but slower was definitely the answer. I'm 2 for 3 now. It just gives it the opportunity to hook a little earlier and pick up actually a little stronger in the middle lane, which is what it wants to do already. Okay, now I feel like I can move actually in. Instead of going left, I feel like I can go in. 3 for 4. We have the Anger Solid and the Anger on thehousebowling.com. You can get drilling for 20 bucks for 2 fingers or $40 drilling for 1-handers. But now we are expanding our catalog on thehousebowling.com, including now the Anger Solid and the Anger. Get yours today. I know there's a lot of online bowling ball sales out there, but when you guys buy from us, it just really helps us, really supports us in making a lot of these crazy challenges, being able to pay some of my friends to come on out and beat us. And it makes the channel a whole lot more doable and a whole lot more fun for us and for you guys out there. So thank you guys for supporting us. Whether you buy a ball from us, a chamois, or you just like watching these videos, we want to say thanks for supporting. I'm gonna go 1 right. Up too far around it. 3 for 5. In comparison to the Anger, way earlier, much stronger shape in the middle lane where the Anger shoots down there. In comparison to some other balls in my bag, it's probably weaker than a Stealth Mode, weaker than an Ethos in terms of overall hook, but smoother and earlier in terms of where it hooks on the lane. There you go. 4 for 6. There you go. Much better. A little fast too, a little fast. It makes me 5 for 7. I think 8 for 10 is the number to reach. 3-bagger to finish. I often say this in our ball videos. Am I putting tournament bag, sports shot bag, house shot bag? Tournament bag is kind of the bag that goes everywhere. House shot's in everywhere. And the house shot bag is balls that I think are a little, maybe too pattern specific, but definitely gonna strike on the house shot. For me, this is definitely a tournament ball. This is one that's gonna either crack the lineup. Pretty tough battle between this Anger Solid, the Ethos Solid, the Pulse, and the stealth mode. I'm probably gonna bring 3 of those to tournaments, not all 4. So it'll be interesting to see as the weeks play out. Right now, this crack the bag. I haven't thrown the pulse yet. So right now it's stealth mode, then this, then ethos, because this one's smoother, so I always rank them smoothest to cleanest and sharpest. So I think this one's really good. As I throw it, 3 miles an hour. 2 to make a respectable 70% strike rate. And per usual, let's just go way left and fire it. I'll move 4 left. As always, during the ball videos, I try and show you guys what this ball actually can do, not just stand left and fire it and try and strike as much as I can. Even though it would strike way more doing that. Pin in the gutter. That is A-okay. Yeah, I feel like I would have struck 10 out of 10 times doing that. Thank you guys for watching. That's my anger solid review. I showed you the difference between the anger, how both of them kind of compare to each other, as well as what this ball can do from moving in and hooking it. Definitely reads the mid part of the lane, really smooth. Definitely cracking the lineup of a new benchmark piece for me. Just go ahead on over to thehousebowling.com. We're actually selling this ball and the anger online right now. So go ahead and grab yours at thehousebowling.com. And if you're asking how we drill them, the boys over at Buddy's Pro Shop, great partnership we have with them. I've had with them for years. Now they are drilling our balls online, which is why you guys get the cheapest prices and ship straight to your door for free.